In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily find the best working Uber promo code or coupon code or discount code in October 2022. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And first, open up your web browser and then in the search field type in Uber promo code and then hit search. It moves you to that search results where you can find a lot of different websites that offers you free promo codes. You can open up any of that sites. Here I got 5 coupons. For example, that coupon gives me $18 off for first 6 rides. I can hit there at more details to get some additional information, and then I can hit add show coupon to see that promo code, and then I can hit on that icon to copy it to my clipboard, and then you can open up Uber website or mobile application where you can use that promo code before paying any money. Just don't forget to enter promo code in promo code field and double check if that promo code is applied. If for some reason that specific promo code doesn't work, you can always go back to the site and from here try to use another one. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe.